my spouse is coming. But we have another quick problem that I can mention. When you say my spouse is coming, please make an effort towards it. You can't just sit back and say, Allah will bring him. Allah will bring her. Do something about it. Someone needs to do something about it. Beloved parents who are here, you need to get up and smell the coffee and then go closer to it and check what type of coffee it is and then come and offer it to your daughter. Does it make sense? You need to. It's part of your duty. Because people are sitting at home, inshallah, when the right person, when Allah sends the right person, what are you doing about it? I'm making dua. Dua is a powerful component, but it's just a component. It's not the only thing. How would people know you even exist? It's true. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us assume the responsibilities that He has placed on our shoulders. I've always tried. Whenever I look at, I'm going to let you in on a secret, okay? Whenever I see young guys, I look at them and I tell myself, you know what, I've got so many daughters, man. And yeah, I promise you, I look at them as though, let's see what this guy is worth. And wallahi, if a guy is worth it, I open my mouth. Why? Because it's my responsibility. In some cultures, it's taboo. Let me tell you, we're living in a world where sometimes you need to put your culture aside and do the right thing. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make it easy for us.